Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. Here's another original design for you. This is the Impala knot for all of you car enthusiasts. Let's do it. The Chevy Impala. We're just going to name it the Impala. So this is my left side. It's at the belt line. We're going to come over here and I'm going to put in a dimple like so. That should hold. Bring it over to the center and I'm going to come over and around like this. Secure that dimple in and then I'm going to come over here like this. Just do a quick base for that. So there we have that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my index finger here and I'm going to loop around the tie. Loop around my finger with the tie, and then I'm going to come back over like this, and then there's one tail light. So then what we're going to want to do is do the same thing over here, but my hand might get in the way, but we're going to do the same thing over here. And then we're going to come back over here like so. So the goal, if you've ever seen a Chevy Impala, particularly the ones from the 60s, they had tail lights that kind of look like this, although they had double tail lights. So let's do that again. You know what? I don't think I'm going to have enough tie for that, which will stink because they had two sets of them. I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's just kind of leave it like this over here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back up and over like this with that tie right there like that. I want to get it. I had it and I lost it. There's a... There we go. Well, but I don't want to... Okay, so then what I'm going to do is with this remaining part right here, I'm going to come back underneath this . And there we have it, and then I'm going to have to readjust this again. So there you have the Impala. So again, on your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.